Welcome to Tring Church. Shortly I will introduce you the church from Tring. As always, we can see nice church, exactly the same style as everywhere across UK, every city, every village. So let's check what we have inside. But outside it looks very clean and organized. So it says it's open, so visitors welcome. Let's check. This is the front door, the main door. And now keep quiet. Hello, can I film?
Of course.
Okay, thank you.
I should have gone. I just volunteered for the food bank. I should have gone, but I'm composing an email. I think I must do this before.
Ah,
So
okay.
you carry on.
Okay, thank you.
Just don't turn too much. Just push hard.
Okay,
That's it.
thank you. So as you guys was seeing, I was talking a little bit with the lady from the church. So basically that was the church from Tring. So it's a short video, but I will come back to Tring another day after probably 1 month, because I have different plans, and I will show you full videos about Tring, okay, and Berkhamsted as well. Have a good day. Share, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.